Hey guys, today we are in Audi A7 and I'm going to try to deal with the start-stop button over here. So right now, if the system is turned off, you have this orange light. Yeah, so when you turn off the start-stop system, this indicator is on and there's no memory. So if you turn off the ignition and turn it back on, you can see that the orange light is no longer here, so the system, so the system is active again, and you will have to remember to switch it off each time you turn on the ignition. So let's deal with it. Over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the vehicle, and I'm going to enter a list of all modules, and we are looking for module 09, Central Electrics, and we are going to Adaptation. And the channel that we are looking for is number 34. It will ask us for the security access code, which is 20113, and we can see right now that the stored value in this channel is 20. So if we add 64 to this value, so instead of 20 we have 84, the button function, the indicator function, will be reversed. So right now you can see that the indicator is on, and this means that the system is on. And if I turn off the system, the indicator is off. But we still need to deal with the memory, because if I turn off this, turn off the ignition, turn it back on, we see that the start-stop system is also back on. Oh my god. So right now we have 84 stored in channel 34. So we need to add 32 to it. This makes a total of 116. So let's test it. Let's slide to write it. And adaptation was successful. And right now, if I turn off the system, turn off the ignition, turn it back on, the indicator is off. So this means that the start-stop system is off. And if I for some reason want to turn it on, the memory should work, and the car remembers that it was on. I know that I need to press over here. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. In the description below this video you will find some more information about this procedure. And that's pretty much it for today. See you soon.